Welcome to JustMarkets. In this video, we will walk you through the account verification process step by step. Full verification is required to unlock full access to all the services and products on our trading platform. Let's get started. All new clients will see a banner in the personal area asking you to fill in your personal data. You can click Learn More to check detailed information about the benefits of full verification or complete verification. It will take you straight to the verification page. Verification is an important step in completing your profile on JustMarkets website. Without full verification, you can deposit only up to $2,000 using global and local payment methods, and withdrawal is available only within the deposited amount. Full verification removes all limits on deposits, withdrawals, and trading, giving you full access to all JustMarkets features. To start the verification process, click Start Now, or simply go to Settings in your personal area. You will need to go through several steps, starting with email verification. Check that your email address is correct and click Get Started Now. A code will be sent to your email address. Enter the code in the field provided to verify your email address. Next, you need to fill in your personal information: your first, last name, date of birth, gender, your address, city, phone number, and optionally, your tax identification number. Please ensure all information is correct before continuing. You also need to fill in profile information questionnaire, profession, industry, and employment status, your trading experience and reason for opening a trading account, financial information such as annual income, total net worth, expected deposit amount, and primary source of income. Once complete, confirm all information is correct by checking the box and clicking Continue. That's it. You will now see the All Set screen, confirming you can deposit up to $2,000. If you want to increase your limits or to complete the whole process, click Complete Verification to proceed to the next steps. Firstly, you need to verify your identity. To verify identity, select your country and enter your full name. Select the type of ID document, such as a valid passport or ID card. Upload a clear image of the document, following our guidelines, which explain how to take the right photo and avoid mistakes like blurry photo or cut off edges. The next step to complete verification is the residence verification. Enter your full address details. Upload a valid proof of residence, such as a utility bill or bank statement containing your own full name and the place of residence that you indicated above. Now that you have provided all the required information, the verification process will begin, usually taking from 7 to 15 minutes. You can track the status in your personal account, and we will also keep you updated via email once verification is complete. Congratulations! With full verification, you have discovered all the features and benefits of trading with JustMarkets. If you have any questions, our support team is available 24/7 to help you and answer any questions you may have. Start verifying today and take your trading to the next level. Thank you for watching and happy trading with JustMarkets.